Here is the finished product of the Johnny Angel Dry Style Insta Color. Now, is this not gorgeous? It's vibrant, it's shiny, absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, it's easy to do. So I'm gonna put my mannequin head up at the front desk with some information on it. And something like this, I would probably charge the client, maybe $60 for doing this with the flat iron, and $60, $70, $75, whatever you want to charge. Or if you just did one strand, you could do anywhere between $5 and $20. It's based on the length of hair and the amount of product that you're going to use. So DM me if you'd like some additional information. And I look forward to working with you and doing some in-salon workshops or coming to the salon here for some additional education. Have a great day.